up, everyone? You are on the Speed 252 show. Scroll down, click that subscribe button, become part of this awesome community. Let's go! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is at Auburn Court Duesenberg Automobile Museum, and they're giving away a 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package plus $25,000. And for you being a Speed 252 member and subscriber of this channel and viewer, you get 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. Don't wait, get your tickets now while they're there. Now this 50% bonus entries only lasts to the end of this month, so go ahead and get your tickets while they last. The way to get your tickets are by clicking the link down in my description or clicking the link in my pinned comment section. When you click the link, go to Donate Now to enter. You will see CGarner as my code that will get you the discount. Click on whatever ticket will actually work best for you. The more tickets you have, the more opportunity you get a chance to win this 2024 Corvette Z06. Type in your name, click continue, and you just purchase your tickets. Good luck, and I hope one of my followers win this Corvette Z06. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Corvette content. So guys, check this out. My friend has been bugging me about a ride in the Z06 for so long now, and unfortunately I've been too busy to give him a ride, but I'm actually headed out to go visit him right now to give him his first ride in his C8 Corvette Z06. He's a huge Corvette guy, huge Camaro guy, owned a bunch of sports cars, but he had never had a ride in the Z06. So I'm headed to give him a ride right now. So again, thank you for pushing that play button. Thank you for joining me today. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and hit that subscribe button anywhere on your phone screen. One for the low wing, one for the big wing. After seeing the low wing, I was like, yeah, I'm not sure if I really want that.
It look good too though, but I feel like that looks more aggressive.
The high wing, yeah, the big wing definitely looks more aggressive. I think it depends on the look that you want to go for. I think if you want to go for that smooth, slick look, then you go for the low wing. If you want to go for that aggressive track arrow look, then you go for the high wing. But I think the Stingray is a great car. I mean,
you got a lot of miles in this bitch.
Oh yeah, man, I ain't gonna waste.
I forgot you drive your cars.
Yeah,
you let them just sit.
No, not even close. But I really enjoy both. I mean, this is my first car with carbon fiber, so I really like the carbon fiber pieces.
Oh yeah.
But
and you ordered this one. You ordered it from the floor.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I ordered it from the dealership. I inspected out, and then there were certain things they couldn't do to it. They couldn't give me the carbon fiber air. They couldn't give me the other wheels. I didn't even ask for this, so I actually asked for base wheels. But I contacted Kai, and Kai was able to give me the carbon fiber. He's the guy that used to be the general manager of the plant, so he gave me everything I wanted, just making one phone call.
Oh shit! So you got the carbon fiber wing splitter.
Just through him, because I told him I didn't want the Z07 package because I didn't feel like it was worth it. The tight suspension, different tires.
It's more expensive.
More expensive. It's like an extra 12 grand. I'm like, I don't need all that.
You want the motor? That's what you care about.
Yeah, the motor was gonna be the same regardless of if I got that or didn't get that. I mean, probably resale value would have made sense, but I didn't have any desire to resell. And when I first bought this car, Chevrolet made us sign a 6-month agreement saying you can't sell the car to anyone, or if you did, the next person that buys it from you will lose the warranty and you could possibly blacklist. I wasn't taking that chance, and then Chevrolet said if you own the car for 6 months, they will give you 500,000 oil points, which translates to $5,000 in cash. Not cash,
but you
money you can use towards the dealership. Yeah. Which to me, I was just, it's no brainer. So technically, you would say I didn't pay MSRP because they gave me the 5,000 points, and so it was like you might say I paid $5,000 below MSRP at this point.
Basically.
Now
you didn't pay no markup on it.
Nah, I didn't, and they took that away from pretty much everybody else though.
Damn.
Yeah, so nobody else is really allowed to.
Have you used the points yet?
No, not really.
You got this bitch spec'd out.
That one, I mean, you can use it towards buying stuff. You can use it towards tires if you wanted to. I got some people that's gonna buy some winter tires. I think night and day, man. It's night and day.
These wheels look good on here too.
Yeah,
they look super aggressive.
My sponsorship company is out in Los Angeles. They didn't want to sponsor with them, which is nice because I try to promote them a lot because the wheels on this car is absolutely amazing, man. I mean, the factory wheels was cool, but these wheels set the car off.
They're badass.
Yeah, they set the car off.
And the crazy thing about it is pictures don't even do them justice. They look better in person.
Yeah.
Like when you pulled up, I said, oh, them bitches look aggressive. Yeah. Pictures ain't gonna capture the aggressiveness of them like that.
Forge Light Wheel gave me a pair of their wheels. As you can see on my Corvette Z06 is the only wheel brand I will stand behind. If you're looking for an awesome set of Corvette wheels for your C8 Stingray, your E-Ray or your Z06 or possibly your Corvette ZR1, this is a company you should hit up. You know why? Because they're giving away $150 off your set of wheels, free ceramic coating, free shipping, and free lug nuts through Forged Light Wheels. Definitely go to their website, check them out, type in forgedlight.com, look at an awesome set of designs that they may have on their website, figure out what wheel pattern you want, figure out what color you want, and on top of that, again, you tell them that Clarence sent you from Seagull Speed 252, and you get $150 off your set of wheels on top of free ceramic coating, free shipping, free lug nuts, and they will send it directly to your door. I'm telling you right now, these wheels are absolutely amazing, and they can design whatever you want, however you want. Definitely go hit up Santos at Forged Light Wheels. For everyone that bought themselves a Z06 tickets and entered that contest, you got a wheel company that's waiting just for you.
This motherfucker sound good. You got exhaust on?
Well, I just turned it into, so this button right here allows me to.
The Z mode shit?
Yeah. So now it's back in tour mode. And then
I said that mother started sounding good as shit.
Yeah, but it's also, putting it even in track mode, everything's up.
Oh, yeah. That motherfucker sound like a damn exotic car.
You know, I took it to the dealership, and the guy said, your exhaust sound different from your Z06. You do anything to it? I said, nah, this is all factory.
Yeah, it's like got exhaust done to it.
The only thing that's different is the wheels. Everything else.
So everything stock.
Everything's stock on this car. I haven't changed nothing.
That shit sounds aggressive as hell. Not the way that sound. That shit snatched my head back. Not the way that shit sound.
Yeah, man, the car is absolutely. This car is crazy. One of my favorite cars on. But again, I think the Stingray is still an amazing car by itself. But the Stingray by itself is just a heck of a car. I don't think nobody really needs 670 horsepower. This car.
But why not?
I get it. Why not?
We gonna be like, why not? Shit.
But
the C6 don't mean the C8 don't sound like this though.
No, it don't. Because this is a cross plane crank, flat plane crank, so it's different. Whereas both of V8, the C8 Stingray is a 6.2 liter V8. Well, that's pretty cool to see.
Yeah.
And the Z06 is a 5.5 liter V8. So totally different sounding cars. Both do amazing things. Both are absolutely a beast. I think both cars are a beast.
Compared to the speed of this though.
No, but I wouldn't. You can't compare the two in the sense. When people always ask me, I think both cars are just two different cars. I think that you can really enjoy being able to own a C8 Stingray with 485 horsepower and still, beat a lot of cars on the road.
Yeah.
Still get somewhat the look. Still, it's affordable in the sense. Depends on what spec you get. Like right now, my dealership in New Jersey is selling a lot of Stingrays below MSRP. So somebody can go there right now and get $6,000 off a Stingray. Do what they want to do with this.
This color's crazy.
Oh, this is my favorite. By far my favorite color. By far my favorite color.
I still like the Rapid Blues too.
The red was nice, but
I feel like the red makes it look more like a damn Ferrari.
True, but the yellow definitely stands out. Like it's like the yellow is just like the yellow fits in wherever you want to go. In a sense, like it fits in Miami, it fits in Los Angeles, it fits in New York, it fits in here. It just stands out when you see the yellow car. You like, that's something exotic. When you see the red, you see red on pretty much any car. That's true. Perfect example. That's true. The yellow is kind of a different.
I like that. I'm almost a Rapid Blue person. I like the Rapid Blue color on these shits for some reason.
Rapid Blue is nice, but you see it on Toyota RAV4s. You see it on Mustangs. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you go to a car community event, you may see the Rapid Blue on any car that might be out there.
You ain't gonna see this yellow.
But you might not see this yellow. You'll see a yellow, but it might not be the same type of hand. Yeah,
I shit like a damn neon.
Yeah, that's what people say when they first saw it. I think
when you was sitting down, I was like, damn, that bitch bright.
Oh yeah. And I've always loved bright colors.
And they're clean. Where they clean, I know it looks crazy.
Well, then I wish it was clean. It's dirty than a mother.
So they come with a target top on it or not?
Nah, this is convertible, so I can just push the button and it come down.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Do they come with target top? I thought they didn't make the Z06.
They come with both still.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So overall, it's probably your favorite car.
Overall, it's been by far my favorite car to own. I used to say my Grand Sport was, but I think because of the wrap and all
like this nail on. Like it looks like it. That's what the sound reminds me of. Yeah. Like a GT3 or some shit. Absolutely. God, I know.
Yeah, absolutely, man. And I mean, that's the like it. You know, sometimes it's like driving in regular mode and it's on. You just tap it. Yeah, the exhaust is, the window can go down.
That's a dope thing about the convertible.
Yeah, my red one, you know, was a coupe. I really enjoyed the coupe a lot, but I got tired of taking the roof off, putting the roof back on,
yeah.
Roof off, you know what I'm saying?
I can see that.
A little bit. I mean, yes, it's less weight, but man, having that window go down, because some days I don't want the whole top off. I can just roll that window down, I feel like I'm on the outside.
You know, it damn sure sound like it.
And then you can also get a hear the motor too. With the other coupe, you can't hear the motor, but that glass don't go down.
So that's probably why the sound sounds so much better. Why? You can actually hear the motor.
Nah, it's still, even with the coupe sound this way too. It's just a different car.
That's motherfucking crazy. You do something, you gotta be good at something. You gotta have a passion for something.
Well, you know, somebody asked me the other day, it was like, if, you know what I'm saying, if you had a talent, what would you want it to be? And literally my talent was, I wish I could tell the people what their talent is. The world, I feel like, would be in a much happier place if everybody in the world knew exactly what they was good at doing.
And pushed it. Yeah. Because the problem is now, everybody's trying to figure out what they're good at, but by the time you look up, you're fucking 50 years old.
Yep. Well, guys, just like that, I gave my homeboy LeRon a ride in the 2023 C8 Corvette Z06, and he absolutely loved it. I'm glad I was able to do that for him. I'm glad I was able to give him that experience. Thank you all for watching this upload and pushing that play button. I hope you got a chance to buy yourself some raffle tickets for that Z06, because I'm telling you right now, you will love it if you win that car. Best luck to any of my followers who entered in that contest. I'm telling you right now, it's a great cause to be a part of, and you could potentially win yourself a Z06. Once again, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.